Happy Valentine's Day!
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day.
Valentine.
Day, guys. Happy Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
I don't know. Happy Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day, Kaden. Happy Purple Power.
Hi, I'm Evelyn, and this is my tree house.
Another video. Heck yeah, brag about that train you're making.
Hello, my name is Israel, and I just made a ring in Tinkercad. It has diamonds, and it has ice in the front. It's pretty cool. Oh, we're bad. Made some rings. Yo, look at that one though. Fire, bro.
From Mr. Harmon's 5th hour. I have the train with the asteroids as the smoke balls, and we have a little train driver in there.
This is my awesome HLModTech shirt.
I'm Clinton. I made a nice little Star Wars battle with the TIE fighter I made. I just decided to duplicate. I decided to make a Darth Vader TIE Advanced, and I also just copied a couple X-wings and made a little bit of some bullets to make it look like they're shooting at each other. But in the Star Wars battle, they just like come down, try to shoot each other, swoop under, and then come back and then try to do it again. Thanks for watching.
This is Nate from Mr. Harmon's 5th hour, and I made a chicken dude. He has his eggs and his ice cream cone and his bunny ears.
Made dragsters today in Modtech. This is mine. That's Nick's. He's pretty cool.
This is Nate from Mr. Harmon's 5th hour, and I have the spaceship traveling through space.
Hi, this is Michael, and this is my astronaut guy in a UFO. You can see he has a helmet on, and then he's also tilted sideways, and then there's also things in the back to help him go.
Soccer field by Nate from Mr. Harmon's 5th hour.
I'm Elijah from Mr. Harmon's 2nd hour from Modtech, and I'm in a dragster.
This is Christian Kelly's train going through the mountain.
I'm Clinton. I just made this Scribblemobile. It's all made out of Scribble. I made the headlights by just making a dot and then made them yellow. And the backlights were made by the same thing, but I just made them red, and it's nice hot rod red, and I scribble wheels and scribble like little window and things. But yeah, thanks for watching.
Guys, this is recent Modtech. I'm gonna show you some tops that I made. They are. I have 4 of them right now. The one that I made originally, right there, and it doesn't really work that well. Instead, I'm gonna make this big one right here. Good day.
Hello, guys. I'm Eli Martinez, and this is Connect 4, and I'm playing with my friend. You do Control C if you're player 1 or player 2, and then you do Control V, and you paste.
I'm Clinton. I have officially finished the Scribblemobile. Last time it didn't have this little hood part on it, and didn't have the seats, didn't have the headlights, the backlights. It has really been upgraded with the wind. Yeah, it turned out pretty well.
Hey guys, this is Spencer. I'm on Flight to Space. I've been in it for 3 days now, and this is a really cool project I've been doing. Mr. Harmon taught me a lot about Tinkercad, a cool jet, transparent and everything. It's really cool. You should follow him on YouTube. He knows a lot about Tinkercad, and I bet he'll help you out a lot.
Clinton, we just made this Connect 4 plan thingy, and so what you do is you copy one of those and you paste them on the board. goal is to get 4 in a row diagonally, up and down, or side to side. So far he's about to win and he's about to get rejected. Got him. Alright, bye.
My name is Abby and I was in 4th hour Mr. Herman and I made this dragon.
What's up, guys? This is Lena and back at it again with the Tinkercad videos. Today we have our awesome fast flowers we made. As you can see, there are some awesome designs, custom details, and yeah.
So today in Flight in Space, I made a super cool NASA rocket. We named it the SS Harmon after our awesome teacher, Mr. Harmon. And we colored it like a normal rocket. We gave it some fuel lodges on the sides and a very aerodynamic thing. And if you zoom in, you can see that we have astronaut chairs up there. You have a clear cockpit, and it looks really cool. Like, I would gladly ride in that if I had the chance because it would be fun.
This is Emily and I'm with HLModTech, and for a science project we were doing designer species in Mr. Bumstead's class, and so we did a 3D model. This is called a cogzac. It's a worm mixed kind of with a snail, and the 3D print turned out really cool. Really excited to present it.
I made my spider family. It is, yes, in this Tinkercad. There's the mom, the dad, and then all these kid spiders. And they're wearing cones or hats on their head because why not?
Guys, I made some crabs in Tinkercad, Scribble Aquarium, and I used HLModTech, YouTube. He taught me how to group stuff together, multicolor. It was a great experience.